Understanding the phrase, crossed wires, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the interesting English phrase, crossed wires. This phrase is a metaphor used in everyday English, and understanding it can really enhance your language skills. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning of crossed wires. Crossed wires originates from the world of telecommunication. In the past, when telephone lines physically crossed, it caused a mix-up in communication, leading to misunderstandings. This literal scenario has evolved into a metaphorical phrase in English. We use it to describe situations where there is a misunderstanding or miscommunication between people. In contemporary English, when we say there are crossed wires, we mean that there has been a misunderstanding. It's often used in casual conversations, both in personal and professional contexts. For example, if two friends plan to meet at different locations by mistake, they might say, "We had crossed wires about where to meet." To better understand crossed wires, let's look at some examples. At work, I thought the deadline was next week, not today. We must have had crossed wires. In relationships, we both bought milk today. There was a crossed wire about who was supposed to do the shopping. There are other expressions in English that convey similar meanings. For instance, on different wavelengths implies a lack of understanding or agreement. Talking past each other means two people are not understanding each other's points. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, crossed wires. It's a useful expression for describing misunderstandings in a variety of situations. Remember, language is not just about words, but the stories and history behind them. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.